Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Sannappa Rajan. Okay, today we are going to see about how to configure a parameters in Siemens logo text display. Okay, um, let's start new function block. Okay, now here we have now we will control one AC unit with the temperature sensor input. Okay, I have a sensor, temperature sensor with input of 0 to 10 volt. The measurement range is 0 to 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, so I will control a AC in a certain temperature setting. So first we will make a program, analog input. Okay, and we will scale it, analog threshold trigger. Okay, so my sensor range is 0 to 10 volt, and range is 0 to 100 degrees Celsius. So I will put uh, 0 to 1000. Okay, so this will measure between 0 to 1000. Okay, so we will put 0 to 1000. So each 100 it will consider 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, so my AC will switch on in 28 degrees Celsius. So it means it is 280, and it will switch off in 20 degree Celsius. So 200. Okay, so this how we scaled our input values. Okay, so I will connect a output which will control the AC on off. Okay, AC on. Temperature input. Okay, so now we will configure these parameters on logo text display. So we will set the temperature display as well as on off set on off value settings, and the status of output on logo text display. Okay, so we will see how we can configure. Go to message text and enable this. Okay, so this is the window for text configuration. So we have only one block, and go for character by character. Okay, and message destination is, we will select logo TD text display only. Okay, so here we go. Here first we will insert, you can see in this block, you can see 1 2 3 4 5 parameters you can configure on this display. First we will configure on. Okay, this is on value, set on. Okay, then off value, set it off. Okay, then we will put on off status. Okay, digital outputs Q1. So when the output is true, it will show on; false, it will show off. Okay, AC status. Okay, so now we will see how our parameters look like in text display. Okay, okay, go for simulation. So Here this is how our this parameters on text display look like. By accessing the buttons on the text display, you can change this value. You can set on value and off value, and we can put the graphs for our temperature inputs also, that we will see how we can make it. Okay, so we'll go insert a bar graph into message. So our maximum temperature scale is 0 to 100. So we will make 10 step. Okay, block, log threshold trigger, amplified. Okay, and here we can put our unit also. If you want, you can make this measuring range also. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so now we will check how this will work. So this is how our parameters look like our text display. So now we will give the input. Now value is increasing, so you can see the graph bar also show the values. Okay, our on value is 28 degrees. So now you can see our value is crossed to 280, so our AC start is showing on. Okay, when this AC runs, then the temperature will rise, so automatically our value will come down, so it go off. Okay, so this is how we can set our parameters on logo text display. You can set any parameters in different display. Okay, in each window you can set different parameters. Okay, by accessing these keys you can change the values. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you have any doubt, please let me know, and if you are new for my channel, please do subscribe and click the bell icon for new future video notification. Okay, upload notification. Till then, bye from Sennappa Rajan.